channel. So today we are doing a little unboxing of my Creatabeauty. So I bought a lot of things and I'm excited. And I've already opened the box. So we're just gonna dive in. Okay. So excuse any noise. Going in first, I got my crystal double stamper from Clear Jelly Stamper. This is so cute, guys. Look at that. Let me see. Oh, this is so exciting. There's a little bow on top. I like it. Like it. Creatabeauty had a sale, and my nail sister told me about it, and of course I jumped right onto that sale and kind of cleaned up. So this is so cute. Crystal clear, guys. I'm starting to get into my stamping. I've bought a few more stamping plates from like AliExpress, which won't be here till June, but that's okay. I have patience. So you kind of just take it apart, you know, so you can see what you're doing there. Or the other way, I think, but I think you do it the other way too. No? Okay, maybe not. But anyway, this is so cute. I love this. Okay, so that's one thing there. This is originally $17.95. I got it for $12.57. That. Okay, let's get rid of the peanuts. I got Dun Dun Dun, which we can't find anywhere, but they had that sale and I was able to find some gloves. Necessary. These are just glove plus black nitro gloves in medium. It's a 100 pack. This was originally $14.95. I got it for $10.46. So need gloves. I have pink ones, and then now I have black ones, but they have pink, but they were sold out, so I grabbed the black. Then I wanted to try a different grit files just to see if it helps me with shaping so that I don't hurt my wrist as much, you know. So this is called American Nails. These are cushion files. It's only 20 in here. These are 80/80 grit, so each side is 80s, and this original price is $10.95. I paid $7.66. I want to try it out and see how it goes. They're not the kinds that you can disinfect. So that's like, I'd rather get a bigger pack, but like a pack of 50. But this works. I mean, hopefully it works so that I can just get the shape done. 1, 2, 3, boom, finished, you know? And like I said, I do give my clients their file to take with them, and I try to remind them when they're coming to me, bring it back. So yeah. Otherwise, I'll just dispose of the file. I'm a single-use file kind of girl. Okay, and I got some Clear Jelly Stamping plates. Okay, so cute. So this one is called Bougie. And look, it has cherries. It has flames, angel wings. This is kind of what it looks like. Now, these are layered stamping plates. So they show you each layer to use, pretty much, and these are the designs that you can create with these. I love this, absolutely love this. This was $17.95. I got it for $12.57. And the next one, this is for, I can't wait for summer so much. This is the Aloha Clear Jelly Stamping Plate. This was also $17.95. I got it for $12.57, and it is a layered stamping plate. So they kind of show you the image you'll end up with using each one of the stampers. We will be doing a video on layered stamping plates. I promised this to you guys before, but someone asked, I think a few people asked in the comment section, like, what the heck? How do you do that? So definitely going to be doing some layered stamping for you guys. And of course, I'm just loving this aesthetic right here. So we're going to do some really bright Caribbean nails and just love it. I love this. They have little hula girls. Okay, can't wait to use this. Then I got some, let's see if we get this open. This is Light Elegance Jimmy Gel. Now, like I said, I'm diving into gel now, so I'm kind of stocking up on certain gel products. I saw them using this Builder Base Gel on their Light Elegance YouTube. And then Selena Ryden, I'm sure everyone knows her. Love her channel. I love what she does with gel. So this is, I saw her use this too. She uses to do a fill with gel. She uses, it is a base, so she uses it as a base layer. I feel like it's a everything in the kitchen sink kind of product. Definitely can't wait to try this. This is $24.95, guys, but I got it for $17.46, which is pretty good. Okay, and now, I told you I'm on this Light Elegance gel hunt, and I got these amazing colors. I think they're so pretty. I think you may be seeing these colors in my Aloha video, because I will be doing a video with these. This is Light Elegance Buttercream in the color Confident Coral. This looks so, just this alone is so pretty. I love coral, so if we're stepping into summertime, definitely get you a good coral. These buttercreams were $19.95. I got them all for $13.96. This one is called Playful Pink. And this one is called Utter Perfection, like cow udders. Kind of cute. I have a few clients that love their nude. I have one client in particular. This is her aesthetic. She loves nude. For her every day. When she's going out or something, she may do something like this or a bright green, but usually it's that. So when I think of nudes, I think of my mom. Mommy Kitty loves silvers and a little bit of sparkle, nothing too crazy, and some basic nude colors. And one of my other clients, one of my friends. So this is for them. This is for me. So there's that. And then I got some Ugly Duckling Gel Stick It. This was $18.95. I got it for $17.05. I've seen people using this on their channel, like Tabitha Scott uses it. A few other people use it, and it's just like a gel that we use to stick on bling. I'm not gonna open it right now, but it's just a gel that you use to stick on bling. It's kind of like my bling gel that I have, but I kind of want to try out theirs and see how it is. Everyone talks about it, so I kind of want to see. But this little pot, I think it's only, how many ounces is it? It's kind of small, but most of the gels you'll get for sticking on bling will be a little small. It is what it is. You don't need, there it is. It's only 5 ml. You don't need but so much. Like I said, for bigger pieces, I would definitely use poly gel to stick on my big chunky stones. But for like stonework like this, maybe even the caviar beads, stuff like this, I can use the Stick It or something like Stick It. So like I said, that one was $17.05 from $18. So guys, this is my like mini haul here. I'm so excited to have gotten my package. We had an issue. I don't know, UPS has not been my friend lately. They've been kind of messing me up here and there, but it's okay. I understand. They are working very hard, especially now, trying to get everybody everything that they're ordering. So I respect them, but I really wanted my stuff faster. But anyway, this is the little haul that I got, guys. Go check out Creatabeauty, guys. This is the place. That's the website. Sign up, join. And yeah, you do have to be a licensed tech though to order from them. That's the only thing. However, their product is great. They have a little bit of everything. And as you can see, they'll have their sales and you can really clean up, guys. So yeah, until next time, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with everyone and anyone. And until next time, bye, guys.